Instruction for even for very stupid people. Believe me, even I understand everything. Hi, I have few new stuff from OG Produce. So first it's one more printer. Yes, I know, last video I told that I hate thermal printers, but I'm ready to change my opinion. Really, it's so amazing and so comfortable. It looks not so big, not so small. It's the same as before. It's wireless, and you can use it how wireless and USB. You can use it with normal computer and with iPad, for example, iPhone, any Android. So it uses A4 standard stencil paper. I tried it with Spirit thermal stencil paper, and I wanna tell you, it was perfect. It's very precision, and you will see how it was on the body during tattooing later in this video. I was impressed, really. They have best application for tattoo printer ever. Even you can show your customer, your client, how your project, your picture will looks on the body. You can make visualization. Okay, I show you. You see, we have here the scale. You can turn, you can resize, choose the body. Women are men, for example, men. And you see, you can make visualization, for example, on the body, like that. I have sometimes clients that want to see how it will look on the body. So why not? Fast print. It holds strong during all the work. Very powerful battery, 2,500 milliamperes. It's about 300 prints, full size paper. In the box we have cable and instruction. That's all. Instruction for even for very stupid people. Believe me, even I understand everything. So I'm sure you will. The price about $200, I think even less. For this money, perfect thing. I think you must have, if you still haven't, thermal printer, wireless. You know, sometimes you have no electricity, you can use it every time, everywhere. It's light, maybe not so light as printer I make review before, but it's the same. It's 700 grams, I think. It's not too heavy. No, it's still smaller than my Epson, for example. So, highly recommend. But stop talking, just let's see how I use it. No, you will see it some later. One more thing from OG Produce, and it's really nice cartridges. You know, I love these guys because they sent me first cartridges I love these cartridges for use for whip shading, for lining. It's so precision, it's so stable, but maybe not perfect. It's not bad, but you know, for me, for example, plastic so hard, and you know, my tired fingers want some soft material, so these guys made this. Amazing. Even I think just 2 months after I asked them about something like that, and they made Arrow OG cartridges. Arrow, I think because of this arrow it looks nice, but they have soft rubber here, and it's really pleasure, you know, for fingers. And what's more, these cartridges in different colors for understanding what cartridge you use at this moment. Even if you see 5, it means 5 RL. For me it's important because sometimes I use 2-3 needles, the same RL, for example 5, 7 and 9, and not always you can understand like this what exactly size you hold in your hand. So here we have mag, and the number 90 is the same stable. You have no loses here, it's stable, it's tight. Mags the same. Box, I really don't know why, but box became bigger, some bigger, but the size of cartridges the same. I don't know why, but who cares? So what I wanna say more? Nothing. Just watch the video, you will see how I use the printer from OG Produce, cartridges from OG Produce, and I work in this with this client. I work the stuff OG Produce only. Printer, tattoo machine, dark night, and cartridges. So guys, a link for discount on the video. Check it, order, try. I think you will love it as I love it. Cartridges, it's really good for lining, for whip shading. This mags, I think one of the best mags I tried. This tattoo printer, really, I think it will be my everyday use. So thank you for your attention. Now you will see in my video how I use it on the skin with my client. I was really satisfied with this tattoo work. So see you next time.